Hi there, students. Deontology. I guess you could have a deontologist as well. Okay, this is a form of ethics, a form of philosophy, a form of acting, in which it says that the most important thing when acting is to follow a set of rules, to follow the obligations of being good, and you have various different obligations, and deontology is following those rules. It's following these ideas. Deontology gives the idea that nothing itself can be intrinsically good or bad except the will behind something. If someone does something with goodwill, then it is good. Deontology says we don't look at the consequences of something. We need to look at whether the rules of morality, the rules of goodness, were followed. And something that is good in itself is something that doesn't decrease the morality of a situation. So something is intrinsically good if it is done with goodwill, with good intentions. And deontology is saying that people are acting out of a respect for moral law because they feel they have a moral duty to act in that way, and if they do so, then they are doing this. They are acting with respect. They're respecting the laws of the universe, and deontology is following the rules of what is good. Deontology studies moral duty. What is it our moral duty to do? If someone is being attacked by a group of people, is it our moral duty to intervene? If our company is doing something that is hurting people, what is our moral duty? Okay, and deontology says that our actions align with these ethical rules. Yes, our actions align with them. It doesn't actually matter how things turn out, and this is the idea perhaps that the road to hell is paved with good intentions. But deontology is talking about the choices we make. And the fact that we are morally acting morally in the right way. The deontology are the obligations that come from certain unvarying rules and unvarying principles. And yes, effectively deontology is the study or the theory of moral obligation. Yeah, because what are our moral obligations? Perhaps society itself, or the society that we live in, defines our moral obligations. And if we live in different societies, then we may well have different moral obligations. So deontology, it's ethics dealing with moral duty. The deontology of this situation, the ethics. Deontology is a highly principled ethic which does not concern itself with consequences. Utilitarianism and deontology are slightly different, because utilitarianism says if something's useful you should do it. Deontology tells us that if something is morally right, then we should do it. That if these are one of the laws of the universe, then this is, or the laws of our society, this is what we should do. So deontology, formality. 7.58 in formality comes from ancient Greek deon, something that is right, something that is proper, something that is needed. And this was first coined by C.D. Broad, who was an English philosopher from the 1930s. So, deontology. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Deontology.